You have less than 24 hours left. I'm offering some scholarships on my e-commerce course, showing you how to make, or how I make money online with Shopify. You can use ClickFunnels, you can use Amazon. I'm gonna show you what to sell, number one, how to use simple household items. I sell stuff like books. I like books, I sell them. I'm gonna show you how to get your first paying customer, how to build your website. And it's me teaching, it's my business partner. My business partner did over 1 billion in online sales. I've got some of my students that have had great success with this. One of them, the top performing student, I think just passed about $200,000 a month selling online. So, you know, people go, is this real? Is this fake? I'm like, think about it, Amazon. Amazon's the biggest company basically in history, or one of the biggest companies in history. What are they doing? They're selling simple things online, and you should catch that trend. So you got 24 hours. I'm offering scholarships, so I've reduced the price. Click the link. It's either in one of the corners here or the description below, and go check it out. I'm telling you, I'm amazed that people are so far behind in trends. People always ask me, Tai, what can I do to make more money? I'm like, start with the simple stuff. Sell simple things. You can sell rubber bands. You can build I was doing a live stream the other day showing people how to make a review site for anything. I was drinking coconut water. I was like, do a coconut water review site and then resell other people's products, other people's coconut water. You can use simple YouTube videos like I do. I'm holding this. I'm at an airport right now, Virginia. It allows me to travel because I sell online. It allows me freedom, all these things. So I'm gonna show you some simple ideas of what you can sell online, how you can get the website up, and all this stuff now is easier than ever in history. So click the link either in the description or up here. You got 24 hours. I'm closing up the scholarships. I want you to be in what I call my 300 group. 300 people I've helped to go from rags to riches. This program's helped a lot of people, thousands of people. So let me know what you think.